So hi team, I am Arnab and I developed this app called feedbackso. So let's start. What is feedback.io or feedback.so? Basically, feedback collection is such an important process for any app that is getting launched that it can drive so much, right? We can know the market outfit or the market fittings and other stuff regarding that software or that startup, but it is very much tedious and mutant, right? Like developing it again and again and again. I first understood it while building the feedback system for one of my application pick palette. Basically, I built that feedback system and again I built it for another system. So it was such kind of repetition. With that thing keep in my mind, with that problem, I created this app called feedback.so. Basically, what it does is that I'm skipping the line, I'm skipping that login pages and stuff. So basically, what it does, if you go to that if you go to the dashboard, you can create space. What is a space? A space basically the project that you want to collect feedback for example, we hosted one game development session 2 days ago, and we wanted feedback like how it is going or not going, since our community is new and we wanted the feedback, right? So let's see how it works and how it works. You can see here, we can edit this page in many ways. Like we can create the space messages, or we can create the titles, we can change the avatars, we can include the question what they want, what we want to know from the audience or not. And whatever the rate limiting part, right? Like we don't I especially me, I don't like that concept of that people coming and giving multiple spamming feedbacks again and again and again. So what can be the solution for it? Authentication process and that IP enable rate limiting. Like if people giving from the same IP will not be allowed more than one IP, more than one feedback. So and another problem, that one of the problem is that authentication process, right? We want to know the user email, but the email they work mostly with, or their name, their proper name they use with their email, and sometimes we don't want the name or that starts, we just want to know the feedback. So we can easily customize that for all that. And what and we and I also like to show them on thank you page. You can customize it accordingly, like what you want to them to know and what you don't want actually. So yep, let's start. Like this is how it works. And another important process is that, what if someone share a tweet? For example, one of our seniors shared a tweet about our event, and which got a huge likes around 240. So it's a feedback, right? It's a feedback regarding our community, our event. So why not use it as a feedback? It's a public tweet, it's available to public. We can, according to the scraping policy, it's allowed of Twitter. And currently we are supporting LinkedIn and the Twitter. If you see the LinkedIn also, we can easily go and see, like. And another concept is that tweets of the feedbacks of the all feedbacks, that I call as wall of fame. If you go here, and you can see here, like you can see, like these are the base feedbacks that I want to show at least to all my viewers. If you go here, let me show you how it works. Let me view it. So you can come and you can see here, right? Everything is working. Everything is visible to all. I can share this page to all, and they can know what kind of feedback we are having and what market fit we are solving. Another important feature can be like how to integrate with our solutions. I don't want any separate pages, I don't want any separate infrastructure of other. I just want to integrate in my solution. For example, I am hosting a Wix page or a WordPress site. I just want to embed one link. So we have also solution for that as well. If you go here and if you go to the embed settings, you can see here, like you can see how to integrate this wall of fame and that feedback collecting widget. You just have to copy this and paste it here with your, and it's customizable. Like the buttons and the cards are all customizable, you can easily customize it. And another important feature can be, right, and for example, this one, right, how to customize to the very most. Let me see this, let me tell you this as well. For example, this, we provide the API endpoints here as well. If you check it out here, sorry, yeah, you can check it out here. This is the endpoint. If you go here, you can easily see the endpoints, and you can integrate it with your solution. You can easily integrate all your wall of fame with your customizable solution. And let's see about how to integrate these embeddings. So if you see here, I've already created some pages. Let's go, let's see how it looks. You can see I made this button red cause make you see how the customizable can be done. You can see here I passed it. I can pass some class names or styles, and you can easily check how it looks. And this process is a single sign-on process, means we can use. There will be no multiple flickerings or multiple redirections. There will be multiple redirections, but it will not take you to the position that you don't want to be. So it's a single sign-on process. It's pretty easily integrable to our solution. Like it's a single sign-on process to feedback.io. So yeah, it's pretty good. And we can also go to the wall of fame widget as well. Let's see like how it looks at wall of fame widget. So it's the wall of fame widget thing, and another and also this feedback widget thing that we can easily customizable, that is easily customizable with that class name. So yeah, this is my app. And how I used AppWrite, which is main theme of this hackathon. Basically, I used AppWrite in combination with trigger.dev to maintain the to maintain it as a database and authentication solution, and also a wrapper with of my single sign-on process, and also as an event queue, like event driven architecture, so that I don't have to set up any separate queues like a RabbitMQ or Kafka solutions. But I use a single database of AppWrite, and I can create some events and functions, and on creating of that records, the event just pushes. And is it scalable? Like how is people will be able to use it? Definitely, because I've already seen you. I've already shared you, right? If you go to the wall of fame page, already there are lots of likes are coming. And if I make you see all the pages, you can see here already there are multiple pages, around 100 plus records are present here, all that people have already submitted to my space. So yeah, it's my project. Thank you, hope you like it.